In this video, I'll show you how to link a bank card to your PayPal account. You need to link your bank card to your PayPal account for verification and account setup. You can also use the credit card you link to PayPal to send money through PayPal. If you don't have any money in your PayPal account, then once you've linked your credit card, you'll be able to send money using your credit card. This is an alternative way to send money via PayPal. Therefore, now I will show you how to correctly link a bank card to a PayPal account so that there is no error after linking a bank card. To link a bank card, select Link a Card in your account settings or on the main page. Select your credit card type and enter your card details. I recommend using dollar bank cards because sometimes PayPal rejects payments in your local currency. Also, payment rejections may be limited in your country of residence, so it is best to use dollar bank cards. The billing address must match the address that was specified when opening a bank card at a bank branch. The address must be filled in English letters. After that, confirm the link of the bank card to the PayPal account. Next, you'll need to change the currency of your credit card in your PayPal account if it doesn't match the currency of your credit card. After linking your bank card, you can change the currency of the card in the settings. You can try using a bank card in your country's local currency, but I recommend using a dollar bank card to avoid errors when transferring money. After that, you need to confirm your bank card. Click Confirm your card. After that, $1.95 should be debited from your bank card to confirm the card. This amount will be refunded after confirming the bank card. After that, you will receive an SMS message with a code that you need to enter on the PayPal website to confirm your bank card. If you have not received an SMS, then open your bank's website and look at the transaction. There you will find a code for confirming your bank card. Enter the code from the transaction on the PayPal website to verify your credit card. After that, your bank card will be verified. We can now use a verified credit card on the PayPal website. You can use a credit card to transfer money to other PayPal accounts, but if you get such an error after sending money, then I recommend using a dollar bank card to fix this problem. Also, such a problem can arise due to a lack of money on the bank card, limiting the payment limit on the card, and if the billing address does not match. Or wait 3 to 5 days for the final confirmation of the bank card in the PayPal system. After that, you will be able to use your bank card in the PayPal system without any problems. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.